Hello, boys and girls. Today, we're going to do something different. We are going to do some sorting. Sorting is separating things into different piles. You might separate them by color, or by size, or by what type of thing they are. So today, I'm going to do some sorting by, I have these little sea creatures. I'm going to sort them. And I also have some blocks, and I'm going to sort those different ways. So maybe you have some blocks in your house, or some Legos, or some little animals. If you want to get them, you can bring them back, and we'll do our sorting together. Okay, I have my sea creatures here. How should I sort them? I think that I will sort them by what type of creature they are. So let me see. Let me start with this one. Do you know what this is? It's a starfish. So let's make a pile for our starfishes. All right, right there. Let's see. What is this? A shark. So we need a pile for our sharks. And this is a crab. So we need a pile for the crabs. Up. Here's another crab. So I'm going to put that in my crab pile. What is this? A sea turtle. So let's make a pile for the sea turtles. Right over here. And anybody know what this is? A lobster. So we need a lobster pile. Here's a turtle. That goes in my turtle pile. Here's a starfish. That goes in my starfish pile. A shark. Another shark. A lobster. What is this? This is a dolphin. We don't have a dolphin pile, so we need to make one for it. Scoot those over here. So there's our dolphin pile. And here's another dolphin. And here's another dolphin. And another lobster. And another starfish. And another shark. And one more sea turtle. Okay, let's see how many piles we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 types of sea creatures. We sorted our sea creatures according to what type of creature they were. All right, boys and girls, I have all my blocks here. Now I need to sort them. But how should I sort them? Are they all the same color? No, they're not. So maybe we could sort them by color. All right, here is a big yellow one. So I'm going to make a yellow pile. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 yellow blocks. All right, what other color do we see? Red. Let's make a red pile. 1, 2, 3. We got 3 red ones. Here's some blue ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 blue ones. I've got 1, 2 orange ones, 2 purple ones, and 1, 2, 3, 4 green ones. So let's see how many piles I made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 different piles. I sorted my blocks by color. All right, I have all my blocks here. We already sorted by color, so we have to think of a different way to sort these blocks. How about we sort them by shape? All right, let's take this big one. What shape is this block? It's a rectangle, so let's make a rectangle pile. We'll put it right there. What shape is this red one? This is also a rectangle. It's smaller, but it's still a rectangle. How about this one? This one's a square. We need a square pile. So we have a rectangle pile and a square pile so far. What about this shape? This is a triangle. We don't have a triangle pile yet, so we need to make one. We'll put that right over here. All right, another square. Another rectangle. An orange rectangle. Ooh, what shape is this? This is a cylinder. It gets its own pile. We have another square. What's this? Ah, another cylinder. It's a smaller cylinder and a different color, but it's still a cylinder, so it goes over here. another rectangle, another square, another cylinder, another rectangle, and one more cylinder. All right, boys and girls, let's look at our piles. Which pile is the biggest pile? The rectangle pile. That's right. Let's see how many rectangles there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 rectangles. How many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many triangles? Just 1. And how many cylinders? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cylinders. So the rectangle pile is our biggest pile. Okay, I was thinking there's one more way I could sort my blocks, and that's by the size of the blocks. We can sort them by big blocks and little blocks. All right, so let's see. This one looks pretty big, so we'll make a big pile over here. And this one looks kind of little, so we'll make a little pile over here. Little, big. Little, big. Little, little, big, and little. All right, so we just have 2 piles this time. A big pile, a pile of big things, and a pile of little things. Thank you for joining me today, boys and girls. Do you remember all the ways that we sorted things? Remember, we sorted the sea creatures by what type of sea creature they were. So we put all the dolphins in one pile, all the lobsters in a pile, and all the sharks in a pile. And then we sorted the blocks by color, shape, and size. So there's lots of different ways that you can sort things. And you can practice sorting with things that you have at home. You could sort your stuffed animals. You could sort your breakfast cereal. You could sort some coins. Lots of different ways to sort things. So until next time, keep on learning.